Hey, this is Mike. Just want to show you this 2007 Mercury Montego, and it's in like a real light color green, almost like a silver looking green, and looks like the tires pretty good condition there. I don't think they're new, but they look pretty good, almost new. And got some shiny wheels there. Take a look at it. It does have the backup sensors here in the back of the vehicle. You can see those right there and there. Let's check out the back here. It's got plenty of room here in the trunk. And those seats fold down in case you need some more cargo space. This comes up and you've got a spare tire under there. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and look back here. Here's the inside of the back door. Got like some wood grain looking trim there. Some little pockets at the bottom for a water bottle or something. Speaker. Here's the inside of the back seat. And you've got some vents back here for the rear passengers. You also have a light there. This folds down, and you have some cup holders as well as some little storage space there. These seats do fold down, and that way you can have something larger in the trunk, or if you need to access something in the trunk from this side, I guess you can do that as well. Alrighty, here is the inside of the front door. You've got your holders there at the bottom, cup holder and stuff, and your window controls, door lock controls. And here's your power seat controls here, presets. There's your adjustments there. There's your seat. Now I'm going to go ahead and hop in. We do have an automatic headlight option. We have a little button there to open the trunk, but we also have this button here, which basically takes the pedals and moves them. You can see them, the pedals down there moving. So that way you can adjust them to your preference. Alrighty. Now here is the your cruise control settings on this side. On this side you have your volume and audio controls here. You turn the volume up and stuff there on the steering wheel. And alright, here is the your gauges. And you can see this little menu there in the middle. Here you adjust it. You can push this button and it cycle through different things. And you have a digital compass right there where it says SW. I mean Southwest. There's your mileage, and your gauges are pretty elegant looking. Easy to read. You got like a gray and a white theme there with some chrome around the edges. Looks pretty good. Now we've got this, it opens up and you can put a map or pretty much anything that'll fit in there for quick access. You don't have to dig around in somewhere other place to look for it. You can have it right there, easy. This is a 6-disc CD player, and it does play MP3s as well. And you can mute it in case you need to answer the phone or whatever. Right there. And of course it has AM and FM radio. Here's your pre-selected your presets right here. Right here is your dual climate control for your driver and passenger. And you got your settings here, like you know, you can turn your air conditioning on and off and stuff. And now you can also turn your parking sensors off right here, that button there, and this is traction control. You can turn that off as well if you like. You can turn the parking sensors off because, let's say you're backing up and you know you need to get close to something, and you're aware of that, then you can turn that off in case it's beeping and it's annoying you or whatever. Here's your like a power supply. Cup holders are right here. There's your shifter. Got like a little pocket there for pins or just something to throw down real fast. This opens up. This is your center console, and it opens up, and you've got you got a power supply down in there, but you also got some, you know, pretty good amount of storage and some places to put some coins. And here's your glove compartment. Now up here we've got an auto dim rear view mirror. We've got some tap lights, place to put your sunglasses. Garage door controls are here. Here's a mirror in your visor with the light. Same thing on that side. Alrighty, let's go ahead and look under the hood. Kind of give you a visual inspection here, and audio, I guess. Alrighty, if you're interested in this vehicle, let me know. My name is Mike, and my phone number and email address will be in the description. See you next time.